In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable call recording on GoHighLevel. We'll walk through where call recording lives in your account, how to turn it on, and what to check for inbound and outbound calls so you're set up correctly and compliantly. Open your GoHighLevel account and head to the main dashboard. Down at the bottom left, click Settings. This is where all your location level preferences live, including the phone system you'll use for voice. Inside Settings, select Phone System. This section controls numbers, routing, voicemail, and recording. Next, choose Voice. Voice groups together everything related to calls so you don't have to jump around. Within Voice, click Call Recording. This is the central place for managing how calls are recorded and where those recordings are stored and accessed. Here's an important detail. Recordings are controlled at the phone number level. That means you enable or disable recording under each specific phone number settings. If you have multiple numbers, for example, one for sales and another for support, set the recording preference for each. This gives you flexibility while keeping your compliance needs in check. Now, let's fine-tune behavior for different call directions. Go to Other Settings within the Voice area, then open Inbound Calls. If you see another Inbound Calls option inside that view, click it to reach the detailed preferences for incoming calls. This is where you confirm that your inbound calls honor the recording setting on the number, and if available in your account, that any recording announcements or consent prompts align with your local regulations. Always follow applicable laws and inform callers when recording is active. Some regions require dual-party consent, so it's a good idea to include a brief notice at the start of the call if you're unsure. Switch over to outbound calls in the same Other Settings area. Review how outbound calls will be handled. Make sure the outbound behavior matches your team's workflow, particularly if different team members are dialing from different numbers. Consistency here prevents confusion and ensures you capture the right conversations. A few quick tips to wrap up. If your organization uses user roles, double-check that team members who need access to recordings have the right permissions. Keep an eye on storage and retention policies so old recordings are archived or deleted according to your standards. And once everything is set, place a quick test call from and to one of your numbers to confirm recordings are being captured as expected and that any announcements play correctly. That's it. You've enabled call recording in GoHighLevel, set it per number, and reviewed inbound and outbound behavior so you're ready to go.